He's our champ. First place. Nice. Manager.
Now, our next one is Open Women's Coconut. So please make your way down if you are throwing the coconut.
Yeah, that was a good
Let's go. Let's get that started in the middle.
Our name and name, age, village. Yep, we're ready.
I'm saying, Tuapalo, 22 years old, won 10 for 10, so happy to be here, taking support band.
Oh.
My name is Chloe and Tamaki is the best. Okay. My name is Tatiana, I'm 9 years old and believe in yourself. My name is Lexi and
Whatever you want to say. I'm fast.
I'm fast, yeah. I'm just gonna say I'm clean. My name is Norris and I live. My name is Barbara and I came first. My name is Jeremiah and Tamaki is all top. My name is Tatiana and don't give up. You said that.
Next.
No. My name's Inigo and I made it into the finals.
Nice. Well, give your hands, yourselves a hand. Young Israel here came first, both 50 and 75. Got Evie here, cheerleading, through classes. How was the race, Izzy? What do you think?
Good.
Yeah. Mr. Max?
Yeah,
How was your race?
good. I just only got bronze and then the first race was silver.
Got to make top 3, I think. This is Bryson.
Top 3 and I got medals.
Niue's best tag player, Niue tag. Awesome player. He ran a great race. Thanks Bryson for coming. Got Mr. Jackson, ran a good race. How was your race?
Good.
Yep. Trinity ran a good race. Mela and RDE. We're just waiting for our shuttle. We got the.
I come to first place. It's great because I'm training so hard.
For a gold medal shot put for under 30, 40, 50.
Shoo! How are you feeling about today?
Feeling good. Coming for the races.
Yeah. Nice. We'll be gunning for you, Liam. Alright, fuck out. Nice. Yo.
Hey, what's going on? What's up, guys?
What's your name?
My name is Matthias. I get intermediate. I'm 11 years old and participating in the Niue athletics.
How are you feeling about your race?
Feeling pretty good. It's like about half an hour away. I think I might sneak them, but probably not.
Hey, Tamaki.